some of my best friends came from friends of friends, and those friends I met on MySpace. If you don't know what MySpace is, it was the precursor to Facebook. It was kind of like Facebook, and you go on there, and it's not, I didn't know if it was for meeting people in real life, but the trajectory that took me is insane. I am Jason, INFJ Dating. I realized that when I stay open, stay curious about other people, try to be nice to everybody, not actively struggle to make friends, but just be that person who's there, ask questions, is interested in other people, things flock back to me. One of my closest friends I met through a different person, and I'm still friends with her to this day. I've met relationships through this way, where I went on a vacation with a friend and the friend's sister was there and we started dating. There's so much opportunity that you're leaving on the table if you are not open to talking to people in public. I am an introvert. I like being by myself, but when I go outside, I always tell myself, I don't need to talk to anybody, but I'm open to it if I want to or if they want to. And that's how I do it. Even the other night, I was with two of my friends and I was talking about this exact subject, and we were eating pizza, and the waitress, who didn't look at me once the whole time, she just kept talking to them. She was kind of like very like matter of fact. And I just asked, how's your day going? She's opened up. Just a little bit, she opened up. And it's things like that. You never know where that's gonna lead. Now, obviously, unless I'm gonna go back to that same place over and over again, I'm probably not gonna see her again. But what I'm saying is, friends of friends. Last night, I met new friends of friends. I add people easily on Instagram. I follow them. You gotta be open. You gotta be open. The more people you know, the better. You don't know who else will be in your friend circle or social circle. It could be your next partner. It could be your next best friend. It could be your next family member. It could be your next, job opportunity, career opportunity, your next big break. You can meet your soulmate. You can meet the person who you collaborate with. You do not know who's going to lead to who. So constantly just be nice to people. Not everybody will like you. Not every situation will lead to something. But acquaintances turn to friends overnight sometimes. Sometimes acquaintances turn to friends in 20 years. You don't know. You don't know who you'll reconnect with. So just keep open, because you have to open up first a lot of times. You have to be the vulnerable one. You have to reach out. You have to be the bold one sometimes. And that's okay. As long as you're just doing it for the right reasons. Yeah, the more people you know, the more doors open. But not because you're networking, because you are doing a human-to-human interaction. You give a shit about other people. And every person you talk to is an introduction to someone they know. These are just ripple effects. If you have the more friends you have, the more chances you're going to meet someone to date. But also the more friends you have, it makes you more attractive, because you have experiences in your life. You're not just on the hunt for someone. You have friends. You have love in your life. A woman who sees that you have multiple friends, is going to be more attracted to you, and she's going to feel more comfortable around you. Same with men. This week, just talk to one person that you normally wouldn't. Like if you never talked to anybody at a coffee shop, talk to someone. Talk to the employee. Talk to the stranger in line. Person next to you on the bus. Just talk to someone. Just get comfortable talking to people, strangers, just making pleasant conversations. And it doesn't have to be small talk either. You can say something funny. You can just give a compliment and keep moving. But just reach out more. Like, you can never have enough friends. Whenever someone says that, I already have enough friends, or like, I don't see the purpose of that. No, man. It's not about that. It's not about that or dating either. Like, think about it. Just think about it. The more people you know, the better in general. So just be open to it. Still have boundaries. I'm not saying, talk to people who end up being toxic. I'm not saying keep around frenemies if you don't want to. I'm just saying the more people in your social circles, and you don't have to have just one. You can have multiple social circles. The better. The better for a lot of things. Who in your life right now could be that one introduction that changes things in your life dramatically? What type of people do you know that you can put together that would be a great match? Whether it's dating, whether it's creativity, whether it's new friends. It doesn't matter. Business opportunities, what? You never know. You just don't know.